What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy Terry, and we are back in today's video. Got something really special for you guys. If you have a couple $100, there is potential you can do what the gentleman did in today's video on our Wallstreetbets on Reddit. We have a guy that took some amazing gains on just a little bit of money, where he made over 6,500% gains. Yes, 6,500%. I don't mean 6.5%. I don't mean 650%. I'm talking 6,500% gains. And he initially invested $155 and turned it in over $10,000. So that gives us all hope that if we can find the right stock at the right time, put a couple $100 into it, and boom, to the moon you could possibly go and just be like a thousandaire just like that if just a couple $100 invested. So guys, hope you're all ready for this video. We're going to check it out. So hope you're amped up like I am. So if you're ready for this, you know what's coming. Baby, let's go! Alright guys, so in today's video, we're going to look at this here. And as you can see on Robinhood, we are in a certain category. We are in the MJ category, if you know what I'm saying. And just look at all of these stocks that have grown today. This India Globalization Capital up 100%. Aurora MJ up 58%. TerraTech up 46%, Hexo up 24%, Tilray up 27%, Origamigram up 21%, Kronos Group up 16%, Sundial Growers 26%, and look at all these here. 12%, 12%, 11%, 9%, 6%, and you go the whole way down here. Out of all the stocks, there was, I think it said 19 MJ stocks total that is on Robinhood. And out of the 19, only 2 of them, well, technically one broke even and another one was down 0.5%. So that is pretty amazing that there must be, 19 items. So there must be some big news of why is the MJ stocks moving like crazy today. And we're going to get into that here. So the reason that the MJ stocks is moving like crazy is because basically there's a twist that looks like the former Vice President Joe Biden will win the presidential race. So right there is a quick rundown of why the MJ stocks is moving like crazy, which is going to lead us into how did this guy take $150 and turn it into $10,000. That is right. And what stock did he do it on? Ticker symbol TLRY. Yes, this is on Robinhood. It is Tilray. They are an MJ company, MJ stock. Their market cap is $1.283 billion, so they are a very big company in the MJ division. And they have been on a roll. If we go here to their stock on Robinhood, let me pull them up here. Where are we at? Tilray. And then we're going to look at the slip that the guy posted here. So as you can see, in the one day, this stock moved basically like over 25% in one day. And if we look at his slip here, this is where it's interesting. There we go. And I want to block it. See if I can make that bigger for you guys. Okay. Yes. So let me move my big head out of the way. There we go. So the ticker, TLRY, $12. He bought 26 contracts. This was expiring today. He had a strike price of $8. The current bid, $395 to $400. He only purchased this for initially $155, guys. That is nuts. That honestly right there is the American dream if I've ever seen it. So my man here put in $155 and he gained 6,526%. So He is doing really good right now at $10,115 on an initial investment of $155. That is the beauty of options, but you never know with these options, man. They can always go the other way. But that is pretty cool, guys. I wanted to bring that to you. And that is here on our Wallstreetbets. And it was just right on there, and I thought it'd be interesting to bring that in here to you guys. A lot of people post some interesting stock options on here. I was still debating myself whether to get in on some LCA options. But man, they really went up in price because the stock moved. I was looking at them when they were down like the 11s. And it was like $100 to $200. And now they're almost like $300 to $400. So I don't know, man. The stock options right now, you really got to pick the right stock and hope it goes your way. But that is it, man. That's pretty cool. What do you think? $150 and leaving out with over $10,000. That is just totally amazing if I ever seen it, honestly. So, and as you can see here, we go down here to this. They also had some other good news here that cannabis shares hit session high after Cuomo promises New York. So this is basically saying here that New York is going to legalize the MJ, if you know what I'm saying, which is going to be really, really huge. And we can read a little bit more of this here, basically saying why Aurora, MJ, and Canopy Growth and Tilray stocks are rebounding today. And here's something I thought was pretty interesting. We go back here to Robinhood and we go to the 5-year. When this thing originally came out of the IPO, this stock was originally, guys, like $150. I mean, that is pretty amazing that this stock was $148 at one point, and look at it. It is down. I mean, it's still not even $10, and at one point this stock was almost $50. And if you look here at the, well, we can probably get that right here. Let me see. Seeing if I can get the 52-week range. Yeah, so the 52-week range, this thing was down to $2.43, up to $24.10 is the 52-week range. So that's pretty crazy. There's still a chance for a home run on this stock. And I think with possibly a Joe Biden win, they are thinking that legalization is going to happen quicker than if Trump wins. So I think that is why the MJ stocks are going pretty crazy. I myself have Planet 13 because, you know, I just bought into it because Jeremy from Financial Education put out really good videos. He did all the homework for us. And I do believe in the MJ stocks as being good investments because it's just like gambling. We got to get the states legalizing it. I think in a weird way, MJ and iGaming, internet gambling is on the same kind of playing field because, you know, the people that use them, they're both addicting and they both like them and they both want to do it and they both want to spend money to do it. So I think they're really good investments, but the biggest key for the MJ and the gambling, iGaming market is that we got to get states to make it legal across the board. That is what we need. We need this thing to become legal. So I think, you know, people are starting to see that possibly Joe Biden's going to win. And I think that's why people are investing in all these stocks. As you saw, a lot of those MJ stocks is up 10 to 25%, if not 100% on Robinhood. Out of 19 different companies, they're all up. So they're all predicting a Joe Biden win. So it says here that Canadian MJ producers desperately seek in another lucrative U.S. MJ market. They're prohibited from doing so, keeping their shares on the U.S. stock exchanges, though, because MJ remains illegal at the federal level in the U.S. So they're basically saying here that it's looking pretty good that basically if the Democrats win a majority in the Senate and a majority in the House of Representatives, Democrats control Congress, pretty much would likely pass MJ and legislation that has been blocked in the past from the GOP. So that is basically what people's betting on that right now. So where to invest $1,000 right now? I think this is pretty cool. Before you consider the MJ growth, you'll want to hear this. Invest. Oh, that's just a Motley Fool down here. Come on, Motley Fool. Stealing part of the stuff here. But I guess I can't blame them. But guys, what are you planning on doing, man? Are y'all looking to do some options? Y'all looking to put in some money and possibly make 10K? So that is pretty cool. and hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I wanted to bring it to light. So are you guys invested in any MJ stocks? Like I said, I myself, I have Planet 13 in my Fidelity account. I do have 100 shares, and I am currently up on the position. Pretty decent, actually. I'm pretty happy about that. I wish I would have bought more shares, but hey, it is what it is. You can only have your money in so many stocks, guys. I get it. Keep buying a dip, buying a dip, buying a dip. It's like, where's all your money? It's gone. You just need stocks to go up so you can sell off, take a little profit. But I definitely plan on holding on to the Planet for a while. That is the only MJ stock that I'm currently invested in, is the Planet. But I don't know if I'm going to look in any more. After seeing the options on this, long call options on these MJ stocks could be a play, because if Biden does win and we get more states legalized and we get Canada that can cross borders with the United States, that could be huge for distribution for the MJ. And, you know, they make taxes on it. Everyone makes money. It'd be really good. So, guys, comment down below. What do you think? Is the MJ good for everyone? I think it is for taxes, and people seem to be more chill if they have the MJ. So I don't think it's a bad thing overall. I'm myself not a user, but as an investor, I like to learn about it because, yeah, I want to make some money on it. Absolutely. So, all right, guys, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up. You enjoyed this video. Appreciate all you guys' love and support. Guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip.